watching the video, don't forget to check the video description.
Overview of Stony Brook University. Stony Brook University, SUNY, is a public institution that was founded in 1957. It has a total undergraduate enrollment of 17,522, its setting is suburban, and the campus size is 1,454 acres. It utilizes a semester-based academic calendar. Stony Brook University, SUNY's ranking in the 2020 edition of Best Colleges as National Universities, number 91. Its in-state tuition and fees are $10,076, out-of-state tuition and fees are $28,528. Stony Brook University is one of 64 schools in the State University of New York (SUNY) system. Located on the North Shore of Long Island, the university is accessible by car, train, and ferry, and many students choose to commute. Freshmen do not have to live on campus. Academic activity pauses each Wednesday from 1 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. for campus lifetime, when students can check out free concerts, sample free food and take a break from the rigor of classes. Annually, students gather for events like the Roth Pond Regatta, a race of student-made cardboard boats, and the Shirley Strum Kenny Student Arts Festival, a week of student work showcases. Students can also check out more than 300 student organizations on campus, including more than 30 fraternities and sororities. On the athletic fields, the Stony Brook Seawolves compete in the NCAA Division I America East Conference. For a workout off the field, students can bike and hike around Stony Brook's large, wooded campus, which includes the Ashley Schiff Park Preserve. For an urban experience, New York City is about 60 miles away. Stony Brook is home to the only undergraduate journalism school in the SUNY system, as well as the highly ranked Stony Brook University Medical Center. The university also has a location in Southampton and a classroom building in Manhattan. Notable alumni include Patricia S. Cowings, the first woman to be trained as an astronaut in the United States, and Craig Allen, a meteorologist for WCBS News Radio 880 in New York City. School mission and unique qualities. Stony Brook University offers students a world-class education with an outstanding return on investment. A degree from Stony Brook, an institution with award-winning faculty, accomplished students, rigorous and innovative academic programs, significant research opportunities and a proven track record of successful alumni, opens doors to countless career possibilities. A member of the prestigious Association of American Universities, Stony Brook offers more than 200 majors, minors and combined degree programs for undergraduates, first-rate opportunities for undergraduate research, including at nearby Brookhaven National Laboratory, which Stony Brook has a role in running, and Long Island's premier academic medical center. The university's diverse campus attracts more than 26,000 students from nearly all 50 states and more than 130 countries. Although it is a large university, Stony Brook has a small college feel. Freshmen belong to one of 6 undergraduate colleges organized around students' interests. Each undergraduate college is a structured community that offers academic and residential advising to help students schedule classes, choose a major and adjust to college life. There are many opportunities to take one-credit-themed classes in small group settings and attend informal gatherings with faculty and fellow students. Stony Brook's combined degree programs for undergraduates include several secondary teacher preparation programs and bachelor's, MPH programs, a fast-track MBA program, and bachelor's, MD and bachelor's, DDS combined degree programs. The School of Journalism offers a major in journalism and a state-of-the-art newsroom. Students in the School of Marine and Atmospheric Sciences research the research vessel Seawolf, at the Waterfront Marine Sciences Center in Stony Brook, Southampton, and Jamaica, West Indies, at Discovery Bay Lab. Stony Brook offers many unique semesters, academic year and winter and summer study abroad programs in many countries. Students majoring in biomedical engineering combine their interests in biology, chemistry, computer programming, engineering, and math. Student clubs and academic advising support students heading toward careers in engineering, law, medicine and a range of health professions. Every spring, the university pays tribute to students' accomplishments in all the arts and sciences with a day of exhibition and performance. Stony Brook has more than 300 clubs and organizations for students and offers an extensive intramural program. Stony Brook traditions include the Roth Pond Regatta, in which students, faculty and staff race boats made with only cardboard, duct tape, and paint. Other traditions include Homecoming and Strawberry Fest. The Student Activities Center features an international food court, student lounges, an art gallery and the Wellness Center for exercise classes and workshops. Across campus, the sports complex features courts for basketball and squash, a running track, a dance studio, and weight rooms. Next to it, the 85,000-square-foot Walter J. Horry's Campus Recreation Center houses a 3-court gymnasium, multi-purpose indoor arena, and cardio machines. Each residential quad also has its fully equipped fitness center that is open 24/7. And the Division I Seawolves compete in an 8,300-seat stadium and a new 4,000-seat arena. Stony Brook graduates are in high demand in the workplace. Nearly 380 corporate organizations recruit on campus every year. Stony Brook University's 1,040-acre campus is located on Long Island's North Shore, 60 miles east of New York City and close to beaches and woodlands. Stony Brook's proximity to New York City and a railroad station right on campus make it easy for students to take advantage of all that Manhattan has to offer. Visit Stony Brook and discover why Forbes named Stony Brook to its Best Values Colleges list, ranking it in the top 20 among public colleges and universities. 2020 rankings. Stony Brook University SUNY is ranked number 91 in national universities. Schools are ranked according to their performance across a set of widely accepted indicators of excellence. Alumni starting salaries below are the median starting salaries by major for alumni of Stony Brook University SUNY. Find your ideal major, college or career. Discover the perfect major for you based on your innate wiring. The innate assessment sets you up for success by pairing you with majors, colleges, and careers that fit your unique skills and abilities. This school's user reviews and ratings. See reviews and ratings of this school from students, alumni, staff, and others. These reviews are not written by U.S. News and have no impact on any of the best colleges' rankings. Read an explanation of user ratings. This school's user reviews and ratings. See reviews and ratings of this school from students, alumni, staff, and others. These reviews are not written by U.S. News and have no impact on any of the best colleges' rankings. Read an explanation of user ratings. Applying. When applying to Stony Brook University SUNY, it's important to note the application deadline is January 15th. The application fee at Stony Brook University SUNY is $50. Scores for either the ACT or SAT are due February 1st. It is more selective, with an acceptance rate of 42%. For more information about the tests, essays, interviews and admissions process, visit the Applying to College Knowledge Center. Academic life. The student-faculty ratio at Stony Brook University SUNY is 18:1, and the school has 36% of its classes with fewer than 20 students. The most popular majors at Stony Brook University SUNY include health professions and related programs, biological and biomedical sciences, business, management, marketing, and related support services, engineering, and psychology. The average freshman retention rate, an indicator of student satisfaction, is 90%. Student life. Stony Brook University SUNY has a total undergraduate enrollment of 17,522, with a gender distribution of 52% male students and 48% female students. At this school, 53% of the students live in college-owned, operated or affiliated housing and 47% of students live off campus. In sports, Stony Brook University SUNY is part of the NCAA. Cost and financial aid at Stony Brook University SUNY. 55% of full-time undergraduates receive some kind of need-based financial aid, and the average need-based scholarship or grant award is $9,500. Paying for college doesn't have to be difficult or devastating. Go to the Paying for College Knowledge Center to get advice on raising cash and reducing costs, or use the U.S. News 529 Finder to choose the best tax-advantaged college investment account for you. Campus safety. Campus safety data were reported by the institution to the U.S. Department of Education and have not been independently verified. The numbers for criminal offenses reflect reports of alleged offenses to campus security and/or law enforcement authorities, not necessarily prosecutions or convictions. Experts advise prospective students and their families to do their research to evaluate the safety of a campus as well as the surrounding area. Campus Services Stony Brook University SUNY offers several student services, including non-remedial tutoring, women's center, placement service, daycare, health service, health insurance. Stony Brook University SUNY also offers campus safety and security services like 24-hour foot and vehicle patrols, late-night transport escort service, 24-hour emergency telephones, lighted pathways, sidewalks, controlled dormitory access, key, security card, etc. Alcohol is permitted for students of legal age at Stony Brook University SUNY.